If you're a food lover, then you need to watch this. You need to hear this if you're a food lover. I bet you didn't know you can make restaurant-quality Dolsot Bibimbap at home. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an absolute gem of Korean cuisine right in your own kitchen, Dolsot Bibimbap. This dish isn't just food, it's an experience. So let's dive right into the colorful world of bibimbap. First things first, the heart of Dolsot Bibimbap is, of course, the stone pot. This special pot is key because it's going to give our rice that irresistible crispy bottom we're all after. If you don't have one, don't worry. A thick, heavy bottom skillet can work too, though the effect won't be quite the same. Now let's talk ingredients. You'll need some white rice. Make sure it's fluffy and a bit sticky to hold everything together. Next, it's all about the toppings. Vibrant bean sprouts, tender spinach, and fresh julienne zucchini. Each vegetable needs to be sautéed separately. Yes, it's a bit of work, but the flavors, they remain distinct and perfectly seasoned. And we can't forget the star player, gochujang paste. This spicy, slightly sweet paste is the soul of many Korean dishes, and it's what gives our bibimbap its kick. Just a dollop will do, but hey, if you love the heat, feel free to be generous. Mixing it all together is where the magic happens. Layer your cooked rice at the bottom of the preheated stone pot. Then artistically arrange your veggies, and don't forget to make room for that essential marinated egg right on top. Now here's the fun part. Place the pot on the stove over medium heat and listen for the sizzle. That's when you know the magic is happening. The pot will keep cooking your bibimbap, making the rice at the bottom crispy and golden. Trust me, that crunch is what it's all about. Finally, it's time to mix everything together. Break the yolk, stir in that gochujang, and mix it all up. Every spoonful should be a perfect harmony of flavors and textures, spicy, savory, and just a tad sweet. There you have it, your very own Dolsot Bibimbap. Serve it hot, right out of the pot, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. This isn't just dinner, it's a showstopper. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking and eat well. Remember, making Dolsot Bibimbap at home is about enjoying the process and the meal. It's a dish that brings people together, perfect for sharing and impressing your friends and family. So go ahead, give it a try, and bring a taste of Korea into your home today. This is Culinary Recipe Creations, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes. Subscribe now and never miss a delicious moment. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Culinary Recipe Creations. Happy cooking! And remember, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and follow us on social media for more amazing recipes and cooking tips. Culinary Recipe Creations, where every recipe is a culinary adventure. Subscribe now and join our community of food lovers. And don't forget, food is best enjoyed with friends and family. So, gather your loved ones and share the joy of Dolsot Bibimbap. Until next time, keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep enjoying delicious food. See you soon!